It's been about 1 year since I uploaded my last video, so I'll change that now. Okay, let's begin. So for the time frame, we're going to do 5 day, 5 minutes. Then you're going to come over here and click the Edit Studies button. In Studies, type in VWAP, double click the first one, and then we're going to edit it a little bit. So double click, set the width to 3, go to the upper band section and uncheck Show Plot. Then go to the lower band and uncheck Show Plot. Click OK, click Apply, and now you should see a pink line plotted on your chart. The way this line gets plotted is by adding up the dollar value of every trade execution and then dividing by the total amount of shares being traded. When a lot of trades are getting executed at these higher prices, you'll see the VWAP start to curve up. Multiple trades at lower prices will cause the VWAP to curve down. So how can we use this indicator to trade? The reason traders use the VWAP indicator is because it can be used as a support or resistance level. In other words, this is how you know when to take a position. So let's look into that more. Let's take a look at this chart. We see it's having a strong move to the upside. There's momentum, and we want to take advantage of that. But instead of just randomly buying in and hoping for the best, we have to wait for a proper setup. And that setup is waiting for it to come back to the VWAP, which we can then take a position. We'll set a stop loss because we need to manage our risk. For this example, I'm just going to pick the pre-market low as a stop loss. Lastly, I'm going to pick 2 targets for this example. I'm going to pick the daily high and the pre-market high. Now, looking at this all together, we have a very simple yet effective trading setup. You have your starting position at the VWAP, you have your stop loss, and you have 2 targets you can shoot for. Lastly, do you want to know why price action tends to just gravitate towards the VWAP? It's actually because large institutional buyers, the people who manipulate the price, they also use this indicator. According to Investopedia, these large institutions often try to purchase stock when price is below the VWAP, and when price is above it, they try to sell it. This is why price action tends to go right back to the VWAP. As always, thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Link to our Discord group is in the description. It's 100% free to join. It's a fun, laid-back community where we talk about trades and just overall have a good time. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.